Today, I'd like to help you sound more American, or at least be able to understand Americans better when they're speaking naturally, by working on your pronunciation. Let's go. Hey there, English speakers. Jesse here from sweetacademy.com, helping you get the job, pass the exam, and travel the world. And today, I want to help your pronunciation. Even if you don't want to sound like an American, this lesson still will help you because it'll help you understand American movies and American television shows when people are speaking a little more quickly and their words are jumbled together. So we're going to focus on the sound when we say NT in the middle of a word. I mean, what's an American saying when they're saying that you should check on the internet? What about international focus groups? Or if something costs $28? What does that mean? Well, in this video, I'm going to help you understand American movies better, American television, and help your pronunciation if you want to sound more like an American. We're going to have 3 rounds in this video. Round 1, I have 5 words, and I'm just going to put them on the screen, and I'd like you to say them how you think that they sound. So I want you to just read the word on the screen and say it with no help from me. And I really want you to say it out loud. Don't just think it in your head. I want you to say it out loud. It might be a little embarrassing if you're on a subway or a bus, but that's what I want you to do. Round 2, I'm going to say the word in a standard American English pronunciation where I'm trying to sound clear. And I'm going to want you to repeat after me. Round 3, I'm going to turn up my accent and I'm going to say these words in a conversational American accent. So I'm going to say it as if I were talking to a friend from home. And you'll probably hear that next time you watch a movie or a television show. Are you ready? Let's go. Round 1. I'm just going to put these words on the screen and I want you to say them. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Good. Now round 2. I'm going to put these with kind of a phonetic spelling, so if you have trouble, you can always look at the bottom and try to sound it out. You should know this isn't official phonemic script. I just wrote it kind of so anybody can read it on the bottom. You don't have to study the phonemic chart. Okay, now repeat after me. Center. Center. Notice this E here. The way it sounds, it's kind of soundless. It's that In English, if you do know the phonemic sounds, it's called the schwa. The schwa just sounds like Notice the difference between this E and this E. Center. 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 Winter. Winter. Internet. Internet. International. And this it's the same schwa sound actually. So, international. That is that same schwa sound. International. 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 20. 20. Very good. Now for round 3. Now we're turning up our American accent. Are you ready? Just cut out that T. Center. Center. Look at the center of the picture. Look at the center of the picture. Center. Winner. Kind of like the winner of a game. Winner. I like to ski in the winter. I like to ski in the winter. Or you could say, who's the winner of the Winter Olympics? Sounds kind of the same. Who's the winner of the Winter Olympics? Internet. Internet. Look it up on the internet. Look it up on the internet. International. International. I like international competitions. I like international competitions. 20. 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30. 20. Okay. How'd you do? If you had trouble, which you probably did because it's not really the same way of pronunciation that you're used to learning. So if you had trouble pronouncing any of these, go back and watch the video slowly and practice it. I put the phonetic way to pronounce it underneath to kind of help you along, to help you read the phonetic way. So I-N-N-E-R for inter to say inner, internet, right? So if you had problems, go back, listen to it again and practice, and let me know how you do. Sign up for a class or let me know in the Facebook group how you did. Also, let me know if it helped you as you're watching TV or movies, because if you get this concept, it'll help you in your listening and your speaking. If you haven't done so yet, click the subscribe button below and the little bell notification button. That will help you be notified next time I have a lesson, and when I start doing live lessons, you'll know and you'll be able to participate. So that's it for me. Keep practicing, keep speaking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.